Today I'm going to be showing you how to create your first Flutter project. So this video assumes you already have Flutter installed and already have it added to your path. So the first thing you want to do is type Flutter create my app, but this would create a project in my root directory. So I'm going to navigate to my desktop, then create a new folder using mkdir tutorial, and go inside that folder, just clear it. Then now we're inside the tutorial folder, which will hold our Flutter project. So this project I'm going to call my app, and it's creating it and it's made. So now I'm going to open it in VS Code by clicking File, Open Folder. I'm going to navigate to my tutorial folder. It's over here. Then I'm going to click my app, OK. And now we have our first Flutter project.